I just realized something that I have to do before I start planting. Check this out. See where the door is? I have to come in and make sure there's a straight line. I gotta cut some of this dirt out. So I'm just gonna take some string here. I'm wrapping it around this, I don't know, whatchamahoots. It's just one of those. It's like a staple, a huge staple. What are they called? So this is where we're gonna take it, approx around here. You know what, that's good enough for now. Next year when I do this project, I'll be adding stone or something. I don't know how we'll finish it off, but we're gonna finish this side off. Guys, I'm gonna just take a second and go get my net. I have to get one of these guys because of these little flies that are always in my face. So I'm just going to move this dirt back to that mound back there because I gotta show you. Okay, so this dirt that I picked up from there is going back here. Remember in the last video that said I was doing two? I'm just filling this up here. There's this gigantor. I keep calling it gigantor. What's the name of this? Let's see here. Let's find out. Oh, gigantus. Miscanthus gigantus. This gets to be 9 feet tall, guys. I cut it out, it in half, because it just kept toppling over and I need to dig and put that in there. But this mound, as you know, is a tree stump, just like the one I showed you guys the last time. So I'm just gonna grab some of that dirt and put that on top there so I can, so I can fill up this whole area and plant that. So let's get that done. I'll do that off camera, and I'm gonna get back to this here. A lady over there that works there told me never to cut the huchera. She says never cut the leaves in the fall. Just leave it like that. It'll snow on top. It lives underneath the snow. It lives in the snow. And then when spring comes around, you just pull out the leaves that are not doing so well. We're gonna fast forward this and we'll get that first one in the ground. All right, so the huchera is in. So I created some sort of little mound around it to be sure that when I water it, that the water kind of stays and goes right into the plant and doesn't roll off, right? Because we have a little bit of a slant here. But I'll keep my eye on it, it's fine. I'm just gonna move this back. Oh, and these will go around the huchera, which I love that the plant comes right on top like this. So I went ahead and planted everything. Now I'm gonna water everything. Okay, so it's all in. Love the way this falls on top of that. There, those beautiful little leaves. This is Coreopsis. I split that in two. Remember I had a huge one? I split it in two because it's gonna get really big next year. I hope it's gonna be fine because I just split it right down the middle, so I hope it's gonna be okay. I have the catmint in, if that's what that is. And these are in too. Yeah, poor thing. This one that got crushed. But it'll be fine by next year. And I got the other half here. So this is just gonna fill in. And next year I'm gonna add in some annuals also, because these are all perennials, excuse me. These are all perennials. And I'm gonna be adding also a tree over here. So we're gonna have that tree that I mentioned right here, and then all the rest next year will be annuals. I have so many annuals that I'm gonna be planting. for now, that's what it's going to be. Again, this here will be fixed by next year. And this is what it looks like from the back. More annuals here, unless I find more perennials that I just want to add there. We'll see. Here I have, I'm going to put this one here also, this catmint here. I'm going to add this one over here in this area because it gets really, really big. When I got it, I was looking for height. I didn't look at the width. So I thought I was going to place all three of them because I have three. So, and probably put this one over here. I think it's really nice next to the butterfly bush. I'm thinking of that. So the last one, I'm not sure. I'm probably going to set this one up right here. Well, not there, but somewhere in here, or I'm not sure yet. It could easily go in this area. I'm just not sure yet. So I gotta think about it. I want to show you, look. This one just opened up. It's a beauty. This is blanket flower, and look at all of the other flowers that are coming along. Fall has so many beautiful flowers. Yeah, so this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I have more planting to do where I'm going to be planting those other grasses back there. I'm planting those there. So I'll have a wall of grass. So thanks again for watching and hanging out with me and planting with me. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.